Hello, Timmy.
来了。
Please introduce China to me.
China is a vast and ancient country with a rich culture and a population of over 1.4 billion people. It's located in East Asia and shares borders with 14 countries. The official language is Mandarin, but there are also many other languages spoken across the.
Hello, Timmy.
来了。
设置一个今天下午5点的闹钟。
闹钟设置成。
打开助眠模式。